Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. So check this out. Monday, July 22nd. Look, there's nothing there. Even looking at other calendars, there's very little to nothing there. So no news today. I guess that's a good thing considering over the weekend we had a ton of news. President Biden deciding to withdraw from the re-election endeavor. Seems just like not long ago we had a ex-presidential assassination attempt. So lots of stuff going on with the American politics. Actually complete disarray. So what are the markets going to do? Well, not that much. Yeah, I mean, taking a look at the daily chart here, there was Friday, big day down, closing down in the bottom of the bar. Remember, the market loves three bars, 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So it would not surprise me to see a bounce day. That being said, with the bombshell yesterday being released about Biden giving up on the re-election, the market, actually it didn't do much until about 4 o'clock in the morning this morning. It actually then decided to do something. So I'm not sure whether it's a positive reaction or a negative reaction, or if it's just a 3 days down, we're oversold, we're due for a bounce. So we'll have to wait and see how that all pans out. They're talking about the unwind of the Trump trade and lots of other stuff that, to be perfectly honest with you, I'm not really paying much attention to. So as you can see, price action was very sideways until about 4 o'clock in the morning when it definitely decided to start going up. Inventory wise, Friday, we had a down day, down price action, but at the very end of the day, the afternoon, it started to see concerted buying and inventory expands. This could be just a large number of people who had been short for the last few days, covering their positions, going into the weekend. So I'm really not sure what to make of this. It's interesting that inventory was up on a down day. That's always a red flag about something that could happen. So is this maybe the conspiracy that somebody knew that Biden was going to withdraw? Maybe. Again, doesn't really matter what happened or why it happened. It's just that we need to trade what we see. And if you were just trading the price action, you'd have been just fine Friday afternoon, regardless of what somebody is trying to guesstimate this activity is. So there you have it. Overnight action was very decent. It's about 38 points. So that's well above average. And again, you can see that we were basically sideways until right here around 4 a.m. when we broke out and kind of went up. So relatively muted reaction to the Biden situation and to politics in general. I really would have expected to see a much bigger reaction one way or another. So what do we got? Resistance on the top side. 55.95 for 5,600 is a big line in the sand. We get above that, 56.10-ish, 56.25. Of course, the 56.50 has been a big number we've been talking about, and that will also be a major resistance point. Support, we got some support right around 55.50. So we break 55.50, 55.40 is also a big area. Dropping below that, get below 55.20, below 5,500, it gets ugly. So that 54.95, 75 is a line in the sand. So that's where we have support. Stock Traders Almanac today is 47.6, so actually a negative bias, 47.6% chance the market will be up. Now, I'm going to give you a little preview of the Stock Traders Almanac for this week. So Tuesday, 57.1, Wednesday, 52.4, Thursday, 57.1, Friday, 46.6. Why am I telling you this? Because there is no bias that's particularly one way or another. A little bit bullish, a little bit bullish, bearish, and it's just sort of neutral, kind of a neutral week for this last week of July, full week of July. Anyway, that's what I got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.